Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here today to do a handbag unboxing with you, and it is something that I've ordered quite a little bit ago, so I'm very excited to get into it. And best of all, it is currently on sale, so if you're interested, continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. As you can see from the title, today's unboxing is a handbag from Maison de Sabre, and it is an Australian brand founded by two brothers back in 2017. It is a new brand to me, so I'm very excited to see what it's all about. The price point is amazing, and even better, it's on sale. So I am going to unbox this really quick so that if you are interested, you can hop onto the sale before it ends. So it came in this box, as you can see, and pull it open. Let your playful side run wild. Okay, cool. And oh my gosh, look how cute! They did a collaboration with Hello Kitty recently for Hello Kitty's 50th anniversary, and I love Hello Kitty, so maybe that can give you a hint as to what this is. So I got two things. Let me show you the handbag, and then I can show you the other accessories in here. So it comes in this really pretty dust bag, kind of like soft, but you know, not too thick. And to reveal, they're soft, small tote, but this is the special collaboration with the Hello Kitty design. So you can see that they're the little tag here is a bow, versus some of their more traditional ones are just like a hang tag, and you can see that the front of this has the Hello Kitty face. The back of it is you know, plain, and this is sort of what their small totes would look like if you got it without the Hello Kitty face, and there are no feet at the bottom. First thought is that this is a very beautiful pebbled leather, and I can smell the leather. It's really nice, and yeah. Let me take out some of the stuffing inside to show you. It does come with a strap, which I can take apart to show you in just a second. Okay, that took a lot of time to get everything out, but it was so well packed. You can see that the inside is leather lined. This is like a smooth leather, but there's also two flaps, and the bottom is red. So the two flaps here, you can see one has a slip pocket. It is quite a large slip pocket right here, and the other side is a zipper pocket. So you can put something more secure inside here, again, leather lined, and there is a snap closure button here, which, oh, I have stickers on it, so it's not clasping together really tight, but it does not have a zipper. So it's not like super secure, but the little snap does help cinch it in. There are two D-rings here, and you can see the D-rings are for this strap. Now this is the strap that came with the special Hello Kitty collab. So let's take this out. So this strap is much thicker than the usual plain leather ones, and this one does say Maison de Sabre there, if you can see, kind of embossed. And I love that it has an adjustable thick strap. With the leather strap, it is adjustable, but it's thinner. So here we go, put it onto the D-ring, so now you can see how it could be worn very casually. But let's say you don't feel like Hello Kitty that day, you could also wear it against your body so that this is the outside facing. While Maison de Sabre is an Australian brand, these full grain leather pieces that they use are from gold-rated European tanneries. And they also use a special trademarked process called dry tan, where they extract water from the raw hides so that they can save up to 20 liters of water per hide. That is 33% less ingredients than the traditional methods used. The tote is actually quite sturdy on its own. You can see that if I held it at the bottom, it does not fall over. Although I will be getting a Zumoni organizer. I have gotten Zumoni organizers for most of my bags, but this one in particular, even though it seems quite sturdy and stands up on its own, I did want one because I want something to be able to have a top zip. And with Zumoni organizers, you can add on these things, such as a top zip or a middle zip compartment, a removable top zip so that you can, you know, not have to have a zip if you don't want to, and of course the organizer. Because this stands so well on its own, I'll probably get the thinner organizer because, you know, it just takes up less space and it's less heavy. But I do want some more organization here, and especially the zipper top, so that I, you know, if this fell over, I don't have to worry about things falling out, or if I wore this into the city somewhere, I don't have to worry about someone sticking their hand in there because there will be a zipper option. Maison de Sabre has a currently up to 50% off this tote, not the Hello Kitty version, but all of the other many colors that they have is on sale for 25% off. So it's a great time to grab one of these if you're interested. After seeing the quality, I probably would recommend it. But if you want to see my full review of this bag, you'll have to wait a couple months for me to use it and then give you a, you know, rundown. But if you already know you like this brand, or if you're already intrigued by, you know, the material, the design, definitely consider hopping onto the sale before it's over. The same goes for Zumoni. Zumoni currently has a sale with my code angeleyn30, you can get 30% off of your entire purchase. That includes anything from their pre-made organizers, your add-ons, or your custom organizer. The Zumoni sale runs from November 25th to December 2nd. So that is during the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. If you want to grab 30% off your organizer, whether it's for, you know, a bag that you already have, or, you know, maybe this one, that will be a good time to do it as well. While we're here, I'm going to show you how I measure the bag to get a custom organization made from Zumoni. I know the size of this bag because I could see it online, and it is 7.87 inches tall. The width across is 8 inches and the depth is 4.13 inches. But I know that Zumoni requires you to measure the inside of this bag, so I'm going to do that really quick just to show you, and then also show you how I order it online. It's very simple. So it tells you to measure the inside of the bag because sometimes it's very thick, and so you want the organizer to fit inside the bag. Here I can see that the inside is about 8.5 inches wide, and then this way it's probably 4.75 inches deep. And the height, because I want to make sure I can use some of these zipper pockets and this clasp, I want the height to not be taller than this. So I'm gonna measure up to the zipper, which is 5.25 inches. So I'm gonna order that. I'm also gonna add on things such as a top zipper removable. I'll also add in D-rings because I think that will be helpful, even though this bag already has D-rings. And I think I'm gonna get it in the 1.2 millimeter thickness felt. And I'm gonna pick the red roses inner color because I think that will match this inner lining very well, and it'll also pop as well. So that is how you could do it. With my code angeleyn30 for Zumoni, you can get 30% off of that custom organizer, making it almost just $60, which is amazing for a custom-made organizer. If you are interested in this bag, I will link it below. They have a lot of other styles as well. If you are interested in the Zumoni organizer, the custom one, whether it's for this bag or for another bag, I will also link that below with my discount code. I almost forgot, there are 2 more items in here. One is this. This is the supple leather protection spray. This came with the order for free if you spent a certain amount, and I did. I'm gonna use this on this bag, which you just spray it to make sure you know, it's protecting it. It still makes it feel supple, so it's not like there's like a gloss, but it's saying that you can use it to prolong the life of your leather. So that is great. I'm glad they provided that. And this is another thing that I bought with the bag, and oh my god, this is so cute. It's such a great gift bag. and it's here. This, I don't know if you could see, is the face of Hello Kitty, and it is so cute. They have different faces. This one's like, I think the smiling one, but what it is a air tag holder. So, I mean, you could put whatever you want in it, but it's meant for the air tag. So you can see that it just fits an air tag. And then what you can do, you can then clip this onto your bag here, for example, and then you can track where your bag is. Look how cute. They also come in so many different little, they call it Sabre emojis, and you can pick so many options to hold your air tag, or again, whatever small little piece of little thing you want to carry around with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll link everything I mentioned here below. If you're interested in the review, stay tuned. I will do that in about 2 to 3 months. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.